Alright, so if you clicked on this video, we all know why you're here. You want to know how you can get past this month. This is by all means the most hard thing you have to do all year. Alright, this is the most important moment of your life. This month, every year. And I have tips that can help you get past all No Nut November months. Destroy Dick December is a whole different subject, but right now, let's do No Nut November. Alright, I have to confess something. I was raised Christian, but not too Christian, you know, like I went to a Christian school. Nothing too special, but there is one thing I am extremely religious about, and that is pleasing myself. It's a lot of medical stuff that I have to explain, but if you know me in real life, it's probably the first thing I ever talk to you about it. It's really casual and I don't really care about it. I don't have the hornies, that's right. I don't have the need to do it, but a lot of my other folks do need to, you know, lay a wank sometime, and that's why No Nut November is this hard. For you, not for me. It's basically no nut year for me, so, you know. So these are a few tips. Maybe we'll look at some memes, because I don't think I can fill a full video with this. But some tips, let's go. The first tip, take shorter showers. It's easy. Also, don't shower with hot water, shower with cold water. Why? Because your body will go into a shock because of the cold, and your body will be more focused on keeping itself warm instead of focusing on the hornies, like, you know, some good shower time. So shower less long and shower with cold water. Also, a quick fact, did you know that most of the people masturbate more times a day than they brush their teeth? Hey. Exercise. You can do any sort of exercise. I mean, if your country is still like on sort of lockdown, do some home exercise, some push-ups, I don't care. So do that and your body will be sore and tired. So normally you won't have the urges to do some naughty things. Relaxing, setting your minds on different things. Relaxing means a lot of different things to a lot of different people, but I'm talking about like relaxing, going out with friends, not going out with friends, like picking up girls. No. We're here to survive this month, not to make new friends, alright? So, walking, exercising, like I said, just going out with friends, watching a good movie, reading a book, playing video games, watch my channel, like, subscribe, you know, all that stuff. Just relax, get your mind calm, keep your head in the game, and out of your pants. That's a good catchphrase actually, nice. I don't actually need this tip because at the recording of this video I am only 16, but I know my audience and I know there are a lot of older guys, not a lot older, but like older guys, like 18 to 25 who watch me, which is weird. But hey guys, thanks. But delete your Tinder. Anything that has to do with girls, just nah, get that out of here. There are more important things to do. Stay connected with your real friends. Don't make new friends who you wanna play with, you fucking perverts. So yeah, also Instagram, if you follow a lot of models, I know every guy does this. Don't follow them. I don't know, like, or just don't use your Instagram. OnlyFans, no, yeah, get that out of here. Don't pay them. The same thing goes with porn and Pornhub and all that stuff. You can watch it, just don't do anything. If you know yourself, don't watch it. But if you know yourself well enough and you can be like, oh, you know, I'll enjoy it for the art, you know, where are my hentai boys at? Hey! But if you can watch it without doing anything, good for you. I've talked a lot about this, and this is friends. Friends can get you through a lot of stuff. Also No Nut November. So you can get like your friend group and be like, alright guys, the first one who fails No Nut November has to buy us drinks. Boom, easy. No one wants to buy drinks for what, like 15 guys? No. I mean, sure, if you have a lot of money, but no. So make it a game. Like, sabotage each other, like send them video links. Who knows, make it a game, make it fun for each other. Sabotage each other, you know. Be the imposter in your friend group. It's still a team sport, we're men. Apes together strong. It's as simple as that. Make it a game, you'll be more focused on sabotaging your friends and ruining their No Nut November that you'll actually, you know, forget about No Nut November as a whole. Now, these are just some tips that I've come across. Honestly, you can do No Nut November in whatever way, shape, or form you can. Just stay true to yourself. You know, those free nut passes that sometimes flow around on the internet these couple of months, those don't count. Free nut passes, no. Stay away from them. Stay true to yourself, and you know, it's still a game. Alright? It's an internet trend. You don't have to lie. You can be like, alright, no, not November, I tried. 5 days, okay, fun. You failed or not, alright? You know the answer, I know the answer. Stay true to yourself. Alright, let's see what Wikipedia has to say. No Nut November is an internet challenge revolving around abstinence, sexual restraint, right? In which participants abstain from masturbating or having an orgasm during the month of November. Although No Nut November was originally intended to be satiricial. I don't know, guys. Alright, I have trouble reading Dutch words. Don't complain about me not understanding or properly pronouncing English words, alright? Some participants claim that abstaining from ejaculation and watching pornography has health benefits, right? An Urban Dictionary entry for No Nut November was published in 2011. I didn't know that. And in 2017, the movement started to gain popularity on social media. Yeah, that's right. Right now it's 2020, but I do know that I have been doing it for 4 years. So, 4-year champion right now, right here. It is associated with the NoFap community on Reddit, which encourages its members not to masturbate. The Reddit community r/NoNutNovember grew from 16,500 subscribers in November 2018 to 52,000 subscribers as of November 2019 and 63,200 in November 2020. After some public figures such as Paul Joseph Watson promoting the campaign, A.J. Dixon of the Rolling Stone magazine suggested that the movement has been cooped by the far-right. Right? Vice Media criticized the challenge in 2018 after followers sent threats to X-Hamster's Twitter account. Cool. Let's see Urban Dictionary. Whoa. No Nut November is a challenge that originated on the internet and requires men to give up ejaculation for the entire month of November. I think it's also women, but mostly men because we're stupid and we actually do this. Nut in this case refers to ejaculating, and it's been used as a slang term since at least the 1970s. The challenge itself riffs on No Shave November, where men grow mustaches or beards from the month, often as part of a charitable cause. According to the website Know Your Meme. Know Your Meme, guys, come on. Also, that's the most reliable source you can find, really. Know Your Memes. The challenge was first posted on Urban Dictionary in 2011 by user BigBoy6969696969. Originally, No Nut November focused on refraining from masturbation. Over the period, people added sexual intercourse to the challenge. Well, yeah, I mean, not nutting means not nutting, no matter what shape or form. So, for masturbation or sexual intercourse, that's not. Why would you? The rules of No Nut November vary, as some men claim that this is 3-strike forgiveness policy and that the use and that the use of so-called free nut coupons is allowed. No, I just said it. No free nut passes, alright? Yeah, get that out of here. No free nut passes. No 3 strikes bull crap. What is this? Are you some pussy? Huh? Are you some low-life loser who can't touch his pee-pee in a month? Remember, touching a pee-pee is gay. Even if it's your own pee-pee. Touch pee-pee, gay. Simple. Don't do it. I mean, if you're gay, nothing against gay people, right? But I'm just saying. So much for going hard or going home, I suppose. True. Despite appearances on the contrary, the purpose of No Nut November wasn't in fact torture. Instead, was wasting their time masturbating or having sex. The challenge encourages men to, pick up a new hobby or learn a new language. Didn't think about that. Hey, but I did give the tips, do something you enjoy. And after surviving No Nut November, holiday observers are rewarded with another joking holiday, Destroy Dick December. I think that one explained itself. For me, December is more hard. That's what she said. Think we learned a lot today, or didn't we, guys? So, stay true to yourself. Nut passes don't count. There is no 3 strikes. That's bullcrap. Stay true to yourself. Pick up a new hobby. Do something cool. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!